All right, geometry. In this video, we'll go over some core level practice with total surface area of a sphere. So if you remember, the total surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r squared. So in this first diagram here, I just need to follow the formula. So 4 pi, and then the radius, they tell me, is 2. And then we can just do some algebra. So 2 squared is 4. So I have 4 pi times 4. So the total surface area of this sphere is 16 pi. Okay, for the next sphere they actually gave me the circumference of the sphere. Well, to find the circumference, I know the formula is 2 pi r. So I need to work backwards a little bit to help me figure out what the radius is. So I'm going to set a pi equal to the formula for the circumference. Divide both sides by 2 pi. Divide by 2 pi. So that means that the radius of that second sphere is 4. So I'm going to have 4 pi times 4 squared, because now I can plug it into the formula. And that's going to give me 4 pi times 16. So 4 pi times 16 is going to be 64 pi. And this is the total surface area of this sphere. Okay. This time I've got a half sphere. So I'm going to take half of the formula for the total surface area of a sphere. So 1/2 times 4 pi r squared. But I also need to add the surface area of this base here. So plus pi r squared. And I know that the radius is 15, so I can just go ahead and now plug that into the formula. So I have 1/2 times 4 pi 15 squared plus pi times 15 squared. So 15 squared is going to be 225. So I have 1/2 times 4 pi times 225 plus 225 pi. Okay. We're going to multiply this, everything inside parentheses by that 4. So I have 900 pi inside parentheses plus 225 pi. We're going to take half of that 900, so 450. So I have 450 pi plus 225 pi for a grand total of 675 pi. So the total surface area of this semi-sphere or half sphere is 675. Okay, now let's do a little more working backwards. And this time they want us to find the radius of a sphere with a surface area of 36 pi. So what we're going to do is we're going to set 36 pi equal to the formula to find the total surface area of a sphere. So 36 pi equals 4 pi r squared. Now to get r by itself, I need to divide both sides by 4 pi. Divide both sides by 4 pi. So 36 divided by 4 is going to give us 9. What's nice is our pi's cancel out. So I have 9 equals r squared. Take the square root of both sides. So I get 3 as my radius. Now for the last one, we want to find the diameter of a sphere with a surface area of 81 pi. So similar to problem 2, we're going to set 81 pi equal to 4 pi r squared. And the first thing we're going to do is find our radius. So we're going to start off by dividing both sides by 4 pi. Divide both sides by 4 pi. And we're going to get 20.25 equals r squared. And then we want to take the square root of both sides to help us figure out what the radius is. So we're going to take the square root. So the radius is 4.5, but we want the diameter. So we're going to double that. So that means that the diameter is going to be 9 yards. All right, thanks for watching. Go ahead and attempt example 2.